Georgia, southeast Tennessee, southwest Carolina, northeast Alabama, southeast Georgia coast, 18 acres, 4 cabins, 2 duplexes. Get off that wallet, right on the creek, river. I guess that's a Tiger Creek. Well, we've got about 5 or 6 behind us now, but nobody's pushing. They don't seem anxious. We'll pull over and let them get by if we can. We don't like holding people up, and if they give us the space on the back of us where we can, when we see a space to pull over, we can hit the brakes and not have them slam into the back of us. Ringgold Gap Historical Site. We can pull over there and park and let them by. Then we just have to get back out from the left, but this way we can let them get by. Claiborne, another American Civil War battlefield site. I have stopped and done this one before, so I'm not going to do it again today. The Battle of Ringgold Gap, y'all can look it up, and I do have video. I may not have it labeled where you can find it very good, but I do have a video showing this. Atlanta Campaign, National Historic Site, Ringgold Gap, May 7th, 1864. Sherman and his army moved forward to begin the campaign against Atlanta in the heart of the South. Ringgold Gap, November 27th, 1863. After the Battle of Missionary Ridge, Bragg's Confederate Army retreated in disorder towards Dalton. Brigadier General Patrick R. Claiborne was ordered to take position in the gap, hold back the Federals, and save the trails and artillery from capture. The trains and artillery from capture. That gives you a synopsis, but we know who ended up winning that. Yankee scoundrels. Battle of Northern Aggression. Oh, Mimi. Okay, we're going to go out behind now. We got another Dodge truck. We're going to wait and let him come by. Come on by, Dodge. Come on by, Dodge. I need a parts van. Now up here, where'd that guy come from? Right on our bumper. How did, there wasn't anybody coming around that curve. The truck route, they had to turn right here because this is low clearance. If you've got an RV, clearance is 11.7. You will not clear. Pull your air conditioner off. Jagwig turned and got off our bumper. I don't know where he came from. Ringgold, Georgia. I think we go left to go to that park, but let's go all the way through. Yeah, I think going down that road to the left right there will take us to that park. Ringgold, Georgia. Look at all these flags. That's nice, isn't it? Nice, nice, nice. kind of patriotism up north or out west, California. Not likely, is it? I guess I don't need to say anything else. I'll get myself in. I'll lose subscribers, make people mad. Of course, I'm sort of used to that. Okay, we need to turn left here. I think it'll take us down to that park. We'll put this camera on the well, it's gone for, well, they got flags going down all over the place through here, honoring our fallen comrades or our fallen soldiers. See a bunch of those idiots flying Hamas flags. I tell you what. One of our previous presidents I think Michigan and a lot of the north up there, Midwest, with a bunch of American-hating Muslims. I don't need to say anything else. Let me turn it off before I get wound up. Okay, yeah, using this camera, I've got this camera set at 4K 60 frames a second, so it's much larger file sizes. Robin Road, I don't know where we need to turn. I think we could have turned right there. Let's go back and turn there. That looked nice, going down that roadway. Oh, the GSP got him somebody. We're going to turn in here, turn around, and go back down that other little road. We could probably turn at that road right there. Do not enter. Oh, okay, I know what to do. We could probably turn at the red light and go down there, but I like the way this little road looked with all the American flags flying down through there. So let's check that out. To turn around. Make sure we don't back into anybody or anything. Is that a railroad track there or that creek? It may be that creek. Chickamauga Creek. It is. Y'all are going to like this park and the creek. Look at this, isn't that great? That is awesome. We're going to hook up the Insta360 on that. Let me turn in right here at the Associated Women's Health. The Associates in Women's Health. What? The Associates in Women's Health. We'll turn in here and we're going to hook up the Insta360 and we're going to get some Insta360 video of all of these flags and stuff. Okay, let's turn this off. back through Ringgold. I like all of these American flags. Boy, it is nice. All these soldiers that given their life for the U.S. for our freedom. Look, there's a Confederate cemetery. Citizen cemetery. That must be paupers. Interesting. We're coming in on the east side. We're missing the downtown area, but we went through the downtown area going to the park, so this will give y'all a little bit different view. Ringgold Depot. This again is US 41, but it's south. Let's go south on 41 for a while, then we may cut over to 75. Or we may just go on back down 41. I'm still curious about that van, if it was for sale. We could work our way back down to it and then work our way over to 75. 76. Georgia 2 will take us over towards, both of them will take us through Chatsworth and on over towards the Cahuta Wilderness. And see, we just don't have time. This one off. This will be a short video, I guess, unless we add to it. We want to pull over and let at least one person get by, but we'll turn this off. This is probably going to be a wrap.